So this is the Stanley Hotel. We were just there charging. It worked. It's still not on the map for Tesla for charging, but it is working. It's just technically not open yet. But it does work, so that was great. Really helpful. We didn't need a charge here, but we figured why not. So this, if you have been following with the live streams and everything, this is gonna be kind of like between the live streams, what happens on our road trip. Should be pretty fun, should be pretty interesting. We're stopping at 7 superchargers today. I already did 2 now. First one was Boulder. It is not currently active. Throw up some photos that we took. Didn't really film there because it was kind of anticlimactic and we just wanted to get on our road. 7 superchargers all the way up to Custer so that we can do the Sound of Silence tour with a bunch of other Teslas.
I went right up against the mountain.
Yikes. Hopefully nobody was hurt. Drive safe.
We're going to Johnson's Corner to get some big cinnamon rolls.
Now your destination is on the right.
I see that somebody from Illinois pulled over.
Oh, there's a gas station. What is this? What is this madness? Okay, we just picked up the obligatory Johnson's Corner cinnamon roll. Super excited for that.
And a giant donut.
But you gotta see the size of this donut. It's huge. Huge.
Oh my, oh no, nuts!
There's nuts all over the car. Wow, that's huge. The donut was an impromptu buy. Wasn't planning on it, but not every day you see a giant donut covered in nuts, so I figured why not. And maple. Yeah, I love maple donuts. Okay, so this one is actually right there at the Cheyenne Mall. There they are. So
It's kind of weird, it's back in diagonal.
Yeah, diagonal back in.
That's weird.
Very weird.
Well, I'd just like to welcome everybody to town. This has been an incredible project.
Good morning, everybody. First time using one of these. My name is Sarah Davis, and I am part of Tesla's charging infrastructure team. I actually scouted this site and met Drew here at Lynn's Dakota Mart about a year ago, and just want to thank everybody for coming out today. It's definitely a great day to be a citizen of Custer, but also a Tesla driver.
So on the count of 3, everybody, ready? 1, 2, 3! All right. Yeah! Woo!
Look how narrow the road is. It's like as wide as the car. Look out front. It's like,
Yeah, that's really funny.
we're in Custer State Park.
You can see super narrow
I guess
road.
yeah. They were at Needles, or I don't know, Needles Highway.
And then we are going to go through,
So get
and
ready.
we're gonna stick this out the top.
Yeah. How close is it on that side?
You're good over here.
Oh, well.
Very close.
Yeah.
You have like a foot over here.
A foot.
A foot.
Maybe I should summon it through. Yeah, I bet nobody's ever summoned their car through here.
Oh yeah, that would have been a good idea.
Except-
Maybe later.
God. This is not fun.
Do we have to honk?
No, I didn't. Nobody else has. Oh! It's raining inside the tunnel. Am I still good on that side?
Yeah, I think you need to come my way just a little bit. You're tight on your side.
I got at least a foot.
Okay. Whew. Wow. It's hard to see because it's way out there. There's Mount Rushmore. We're actually not going to stop there today. Okay, we have an ass in the road right here. Yeah. Oh, here come the other asses.
Uh-oh.
All the asses are coming out to
We
play.
don't have any food, so we're not.
Yeah, we don't feed the wild animals. Oh wow, I thought that red car was gonna hit that ass.
They're like inches away from hitting it.
Hi, no,
Mm-mm.
no, bad donkey. So yeah, just a quick buffalo count. There's supposed to be 1,300 here. We have seen roughly 3 plus 50 plus.
I don't know, 13. We're still looking for the other 1,233.
Yeah, we're missing 1,233 buffalo. That might have been another 50 out there. So maybe we're down to like 1,183 buffalo. Yeah, so buffalo hunt's still on. Okay, we found 2 more buffalo and a few antelope friends. There's like 4 of them on the hill.
It is Sunday, the 20th of May, and we have left Custer and the Sound of Silence rally, 5th annual one that was held up there. We are on our way south. We are going currently through Nebraska on our way to Carhenge, which is a big roadside tourist attraction, I guess. Similar to Stonehenge, but built out of antique cars. So we're gonna go check that out and see this monument to these relics of the past.
The seasons come and go like thoughts of you. Like a wave returns to the sea into the blue. They change but in a cycle that I can't lose. Each painful but delightful to live through. Looking into my life, just a good another season. Not for them, just a time, just a good another season. Looking into my life, just another season. Not for them, just a time, just a good another season.
Custer was a lot of fun. We got to meet a lot of viewers. Actually came up to us, said hi, and got to meet a lot of Tesla owners. What was the final count? Like 54 cars?
I think 54 was the official count, yeah.
It was pretty cool. We took a group photo at Crazy
Horse.
Horse, and that was a lot of fun. I don't know, maybe next year we'll come out with my car. I don't know, we'll have to figure it out. Let us know though if you guys are thinking about coming out here next year. I think they're doing Friday, Saturday, Sunday
Again,
next
yeah.
year.
I think it's like May 17th, 18th, 19th again.
But yeah, let us know if you guys are interested in coming out next year. Maybe we'll all do a meetup out here or something. I don't know. We'll
Yeah,
have to
there's
see.
people from all over the country. There were people from Florida was
Yeah.
the furthest away. So people definitely come from all over the U.S. and Canada to this rally.
Yeah, and the lady from Florida actually brought her Great Dane with her.
Yes, he was huge.
He was massive, and they fit in a Model S, believe it or not.
Yeah, it was interesting.
But yeah, so definitely let us know down below. As always though, if you're looking for a Tesla, check out our website, teslainventory.com. If you're looking for a newer inventory model, feel free to use our referral code. It's down in the description below or at the top of our website. Using it will actually get you free unlimited supercharging, which is a great perk for road trips as such.
Yeah.
And as always, thumbs up the video if you enjoyed it. Go ahead and click here to subscribe here for some other videos, and we'll see you guys later. Bye.